Hello, this is Sapio Squirrel again. Today, I am looking at what is for dinner. Hopefully what I make will last a few days. Decided on beef stew. Here is the recipe I am following. Directions. Brown the beef in the Instant Pot. Sauté the onion and garlic. Stir in the beef broth and scrape the bottom of the pot to deglaze. Add the remaining ingredients. Do not stir. This helps avoid the burn warning. Cook Instant Pot beef stew on high for 35 minutes, then let the pressure release naturally. Discard the bay leaf. Prepare a cornstarch slurry and stir it into the Instant Pot. Add the peas. Enjoy! Thanks for watching this Sapio Squirrel video.